As we build towards the most explosive national championships in the world, how can we not talk about the form of Mummy Rocket, Shelly and Fraser-Pryce, who equaled her world lead 10.67 over the weekend to send shivers down the spine of her rivals. But guess what? Shelly was equally or even more impressive heading into and during the national championships last year, dominating the field to win the sprint double. She was the howling favorite going into the Tokyo Olympics, and we all know what happened. And my theory is that because of how things unfolded in Tokyo, Mummy Rocket is running with a massive chip on her shoulders. But again though, with all due respect to her new camp and her new coach, they are still yet to get Shelly to do what she used to do when she was at MVP, which is perform at her very best at the big championships. So the saga continues. One thing for sure, based on what Shelly has done this season compared to what everyone else is doing, including Elaine Thompson-Hera, there is no doubt that right now, Shelly and Fraser-Pryce is the big favorite to win any race she runs at the national trials and beyond.